Good morning, student. Today I start some important questions for coordinate geometry. This is a very helpful for board examination. First question is the point P on x-axis equidistance from the points A negative 1 0 and B 5 0. This is a question. Question first. The point P on x-axis equidistance from the point A negative 1 0 B 5 0. Question is given this is a point A and B, and this is a P point. A point is given negative 1 and 0, and B point is given 5 comma 0. This type of question 1 marks question also given and 3 marks question also given. First I explain how can solve 3 marks question. If given 3 marks question, then you find out question is already given AP equals to PB. Because question is given equidistance, then P point is a x coordinate. X coordinate means x comma 0. If given x axis, x comma 0. If given y axis, then you put 0 coordinate y. Then here AP equals to PB. You find the distance formula x negative 1 square plus 0 minus 0 square equals to again square root of 5 minus x square plus 0 minus 0 square. You this side both sides square, both sides squaring, both sides squaring, both sides you square put, then come x minus 1 का square, x plus minus minus plus square equals to 5 minus x का square. Then here a plus b square x square plus 1 plus 2x. ये 25 plus x square negative 10x. X square cancel. 10x this side come 12x. This side 25 minus 1. Then 12x equals to 24. X equals to 24 by 2. 12. Then 12 to the x value is 2. Then P coordinate is x comma 0, then 2 comma 0. This is a long process for solving 3 marks question. If you given 3 marks question, you solve this type. First, you find out P point. P point is given x coordinate, x axis. Then here you let x comma 0, and A point already given negative 1 0, and B point is given 5 comma 0. Then question is given the point of P on x axis equidistance from the points. Means this AP and PB both are equal distance. Then AP equals to PB. Then you solve the use the distance formula and solve the x value, and x value is 2. Then here P coordinate is x comma 0, then x value is 2 and y coordinate is 0. Then I go for second method. This is a short trick for objective question solve. Same question you put short trick and solve the objective question, but this method you follow only for long question. This method you follow for long question. If you given 3 marks to 3 marks question, that time you solve, and if you given 2 marks question, that time also you solve this method, because CPSC and any board marks given for step wise. I solve for second method. Same question. The point P on x-axis equidistant from the point A and B. Then just you find A and B. Here P point given, A point is given negative 1, 0 and B point is given 5, 5 comma 0. And here P I lit x coordinate and y coordinate is 0 because x axis given. If y axis given, you put 0 comma y. Okay, then how can solve this? Question is already given. This and this distance both are equal. Means P is a middle point. P is a middle point. Then how can middle point means you put P coordinate x comma 0 means x equals to P is a middle point means you middle point 5 negative 1 positive. How can find the middle point? X equals to 5 positive negative 1 by 2 means 5 minus 4 1 by 2 4 by 2 means 2. Here also P coordinate is 2 comma 0. Then here I give short trick. You mark short trick. If we one point, if the point P on x-axis distant from the point the point on x-axis equidistant from the point A point is x1 y1 and B point is x2 y2. Then what is midpoint? Midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma 0. If y-axis given, then here x-axis, here if given y-axis same, then midpoint, this is a x-axis, x coordinate, and this is a midpoint y coordinate, then y coordinate is y1 plus y2 by 2. This is a formula for short trick. Yeah, let's say you find out this. Only you put x1 plus x2 by 2. Here I put 5 plus 1 is 1, 5 negative 1 by 2, 4 by 2 means 2 cancelled. Answer's coordinate is x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0. Because now only for find out x axis equidistance. If given y axis equidistant, you find the coordinate is 0 by x. Is given 2, both are x, y, then for use this formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is a x, here x dash, here y, here y dash. Okay. Then here point is given. The coordinate of the point which is reflection. The point is negative 3, 5. First video I explained. This both are positive. This x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. Here both coordinate is negative. Here x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Then here where point is called, first you mark where point, negative 3, negative 5 means x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. Then this coordinate means second coordinate. Means here you think x coordinate is, you think here if you 0, here 1, here 2, 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. You just 5 coordinate is 5. Then you think here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. Means just you think question mark is given this point. This point must come for 5 this side and 3 this side. X coordinate is negative 3 and y coordinate is positive 5. Okay, then which reflection? Reflection means just image formation. Reflection means point negative 3, negative 5. Then this thing, this is x-axis. This is x-axis now. Then reflection is what? Negative is miss, negative come, and reflection positive 5, reflection negative 5. Then what is reflection for x-axis? Reflection for x-axis is negative 3 and negative 5. If reflection asks for y-axis, then what come? If reflection asks for this same question, only write y-axis reflection, then here negative 3, here also come positive 3. And here 5, because y-axis this is a vertical line is y-axis, horizontal line is x-axis. Then negative 3, this side come for positive because the reflection of y-axis. And positive here also fair because first coordinate both numbers are positive. X coordinate also positive, y coordinate also positive. This is a very easy question only for concept clear. Which coordinate is positive? First coordinate is both number are positive. Second coordinate is x negative, y positive. Third coordinate is both are negative, and fourth coordinate is x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. First you mention the marks which coordinate comes for this point and say your reflection for x-axis. This is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. Next go for third question. Now this is a third question. Question first I explain. If the point P point is 6 coordinate 2 and divides the line segment joining A point 6 comma 5 and B coordinate is 4 comma y in the ratio 3:1, then the value find y means this y value you find out. How can solve this question? First you draw one line segment. This is line segment for A point here point A 6 comma 5. Okay, you mention here A and here B, and here B coordinate is 4 comma y. A coordinate is A point is given 6 5, B coordinate is 4 comma y, and here one point is given P and P point already given 6 and 2 means x coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 2, and what the ratio is given 3:1. Question is given 3:1. Then first here you find out what is y coordinate because I need only y coordinate. Then I explain for second or third video section formula. What is section formula? Section formula. Section formula means if x coordinate you find if x coordinate is found then x coordinate means mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate same my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is a x coordinate and this is a y coordinate. Okay, then solve this question. How can solve this question? Then I need only y coordinate. Then here I solve for only y coordinate. Y coordinate formula is my2 plus ny1 because x coordinate is given. I need only for y coordinate. Then m plus n, because here if you find x value then you x coordinate find. Here find y coordinate, then I use for only for y coordinate. Then p y value is already given 2. Then m is what? M value is 3 and y2 value is y, plus n value is what? 1 and y1 value is 5 by m plus n matlab 3 plus 1. Then here 2 equals to 3y plus 5 into 4. Then here I solve this question again. 3y 4 2 into 4 8 and 3y plus 5. 4 2s are 8, 3 y plus 5. 8 minus 5 equals to 3y. 3y equals to 3. Y equals to 3 by 3 means y value is 1. Here b value y value is 1 and x value is 4 by 1. Another time I explain how can solve this question. First, you draw one diagram. A point you mentioned already given 6, 5. P point is already given 6, 2, and B point is given, x coordinate is given but y coordinate is not given. And already given the questions. Ratio is 3:1. 3 and 1. Then you find the value of only for y. Then how can find the value? First, I explain one time how can find the section formula for second video. Here section formula is x coordinate is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate is m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. Then how can solve this question? First, y coordinate, because I need only for y value, then use for y coordinate. If you x coordinate need, that time you only use for x coordinate. Then here m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. Y value is already given. P is given what? 2. Then 2 equals to 3 into y plus 1 into 5. 3 plus 1 2. 3y plus 5. Cross multiplication, 2 into 4 8. 3y plus 5. 3y equals to 8 minus 5. 3y equals to 3 and y value is 3 by 3. Y value is 1. Then here x coordinate is 4 already given. Y value I find 1. This is a question 4. Question is given, if a m by 3, 5 is the midpoint of line segment joining the point q -6, 7 and r -2 and 3, then the value of find m. Then how can solve this question? First, draw one line. First you draw one line. First draw one line. Line is q and r. Q point is given -6 and positive 7, and R point is given -2 and 3. And here given A point is midpoint. Midpoint means both distance equal part divide. A point is given m by 3 and x coordinate is m by 3 and y coordinate is 5. Then find the m value. This value and both this value both are equal. Then question number 2 I explain how can find the midpoint. If given 2 point, P point is given x1 y1 and Q point is given x2 y2, then midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is a midpoint formula. Then here find out A value is given m by 3 and 5. Then first x1 by x2, x1 -6 -2 by 2. Another 7 plus 3 by 2. Here this is a x1, this is a y1. Here this is a x2 and this is a y2. Then what midpoint? x1 plus x2 y2, -6 -2 plus 7 plus 3. Then here A m by 3, 5 -8 by 2 and 7 plus 3 10 by 2. Then 2 4s the, then here y coordinate is 2 by 5. Y coordinate is equal. Then here I solve this question. A m by 3 5, here -4 and 5. Then this is a y coordinate and this is a x coordinate. Then m by 3 equals to negative 4. You cross multiplication, then m into 1 equals to m into 1 equals to negative 4 into 3. Then m into 1 negative 12. m 4 3 is 12. Then how can solve this question? A point is given m by 3, y comma 5 is the midpoint of the line segment. Then find this. Q point is given negative 6 7, R point is given negative 2 3, A point is given m by 3 and 5. Then find the value of m. Then I explained P point is given x1 y1, Q point is x2 y2, mid point is x1 plus x2 y2, y1 plus y2 y2, ay m by 3 comma 5, negative 8 by 2 and 5. M by 3 equals to 4, m value is 12. Then m value is negative 12. Question number 5th. If the point PK0 divides the line segment joining the point A point is 2, negative 2 and B point is negative 7 and 4 in the ratio 1:2, then value of K. This question is 2 pointers given, ratio already given, this point also given, P point also given, then only find the value of K. Means P point is given, but you only given for variable, not constant. Then you find the value only for K. Means you find the value of only for x coordinate. P is here x coordinate and 0 here y coordinate. How can solve this question? First you draw one line. One line A point is given 2, negative 2 and B point is given 7, 4. Okay. Then here I don't know here midpoint here because here ratio is given 1:2. Then here you think here 1 and here ratio is given 2 and here P point is given K comma 0. Then I already section formula teach you. Section formula. If you more times write, that time you learn for get by heart. X coordinate is m x2 plus n x1 y m plus n and y coordinate is m y2 plus n y1 y m plus n. This is a section formula. This is a x coordinate and this is a y coordinate. Then here same use, I need only for x coordinate because here y coordinate is already given for 0. Then only I need for x coordinate. Then x coordinate is what? M x2 plus n x1 y m plus n. X coordinate is what value given? K. M is value is given 1. x2 is given negative 7 plus n value is given 2. x1 is value is given 2. m plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Then k equals to negative 7 plus 2 2s are 4 by 3. Then here I solve k equals to negative 3 by 3. 3 cancel. Then k value is negative 1. Then x coordinate is here negative 1 and y coordinate is 0. This is a very easy question for previous year question. This is a very previous year CBSE board question. Only you learn for formula